northwest Illinois, including the St. Louis this afternoon. Near steady temperatures in the lower 70s. 5 miles an hour, becoming northwest.
This is horrible.
This is a weather alert system. During hazardous weather and emergencies, which were just broadcast, will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert cones will only be activated for the following counties in the KDO89 list. Thank you. St. Clair, your phone activator function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Rest of today, cloudy. Isolated showers late this morning, then scattered showers.
Freaking horrible.